Okay, guys, I need to explain who James McCrackyn is. But if you want to learn more, stay on this video. First of all, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future content uploads. Now let's get started. So James McCrackyn is a YouTube user. He is a bad spammer. Well, I had that happen. But, James McCrackyn is not like Eric McNewson. James McCrackyn is just the worst person. It was just worse than Eric McNewson. You guys remember me talking about Eric McNewson? I'm just gonna, have it linked in the description. But for him, if you see a comment, report it as spam and deceptive practices. And if you know why, if you know about James McCrackyn, you don't have to stay on this video, but if you don't know, please stay here. But James McCrackyn spammed my channel last week. He said, "Do you want to fix the elevator? I will fix it." It was just spam, okay? Whatever he says, block him. And also, I'll explain what his channel art looks like. It actually looks like a Thomas the Train thing, where it makes it look like Thomas the Train is in there. But James McCrackyn, you need to go, because you are the worst spammer than Eric McNewson. If you realize that spammers are not good in the elevator community, I will be creating a set of rules, and I'll be creating them as enlisted, and I will have them linked in my channel as well, so you guys can check it out later. And also, James McCrackyn has to go. If you see his channel, report him as spam and deceptive practices, because he's not a good person out there. And also, he's stealing content from others. I'm sorry to those who were affected by content theft, but, I've never had my content stolen by him. But for him, he needs to stop, because this is a major problem. And also, I've not had to file a copyright claim yet. But let's hope I don't have to file a copyright claim. Okay, thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.